Hi friends! So, yung clip na nakita nyo is actually when the time I was composing yung resignation letter ko and sending it dun sa mga leads ko. Oh, di ba nakuha ko pang mag-vlog talaga, no? Pero I guess since I started it, no, siguro gawin na natin tong tradition every time magre-resign ako. And in this resignation, of course, madami tayong natutunan and I want to share it with you guys. So, yung former company ko is actually Ernst & Young. I think I've mentioned it in few videos before, pero I stayed there for 1 year and 6 months. If you follow me on LinkedIn, I think makikita nyo yun sa profile ko, no? Tignan nyo na rin sa description yung link, tapos siguro follow nyo na rin ako. Compared dun sa stay ko sa Accenture, no, na almost 8 years. So, dito napaka-brief lang talaga ng stay natin. Before I state my reason, gusto ko muna ibigay yung thoughts ko about EY. Ernst & Young, I can't really recommend it enough. EY is a really good company. There's no doubt about that. If you Google it, part talaga siya ng top 5 firms, I think, in consulting and accounting. So, being part of that brand or organization is a really big plus sa resume ko, no? So, even na saglit lang yung pagstay ko doon, I really value that time. Doon ako actually na-deploy sa consulting arm ni EY. And of course, IT consulting siya. So basically, we work for clients. And about the role, so application support ako doon. I think I mentioned na din to sa video ko, no? Basically, we ensure na gumagana yung mga applications ng client namin. Yung main technologies ko talaga na ginamit doon is Linux, Unix, SQL, Windows Server, tsaka Perl. We felt really taken care of on that front. And if you look into my profile, I'm originally a mainframe skilled resource. But we really have to adjust depende sa need ng client. So I transitioned, I upskilled, and yeah, I would say it is a net positive for me. Now, ito naman yung mga cons na nakita ko, no? And you can say na ito na rin yung mga reasons ko kung bakit ako umalis. Unang-una siguro is yung interest namin, no, ng both parties is hindi na nag-align. Very vague siya, no? Pero basically, I want one thing, pero iba din yung gusto ni EY. And the main thing actually is I don't feel appreciated. I'm gonna be really candid about it, no? Kasi I've sacrificed a lot. Ever since the start no engagement or project na nung pumasok ako sa EY, I was one of the early members there. Ayun nga, nag-trade ako, nag-reskill ako, tapos ang dami ng umalis na mga tao. Even yung batch ko, mga kabatch ko nung pagpasok is wala na sa EY. The project is really difficult. I'll leave it at that na lang, no? Pero I stayed. I did my best to adapt and to swallow my pride. Kasi as a team lead before, no, going to an individual contributor role, I think this time na-enjoy ko naman yung pagiging individual contributor. Pero yun nga, despite staying loyal is, I didn't feel rewarded, no? As to how I feel right now, no, honestly, I'm pretty neutral. I feel okay for some reason kasi yung last video ko about resignation nung nasa Accenture ko, I was emotional. Pero now yung nasi-feel ko, parang carry lang. No? Siguro nga dahil feeling ko hindi ako na-reward or I feel that there were injustices na nangyari. So, yeah. I'm pretty neutral about it. I'm also happy that my wife supports me with this decision. Kaya naman, it was not difficult deciding this time. Also, sobrang happy lang ako kasi I made a lot of new friends. I met a lot of new people. Ayun nga, may mga dumating, meron ding mga umalis, tas meron mga dumating na naman na bago. Meeting new people, you learn a lot of new things. You get to see new perspective. Nakikita mo yung iba't ibang behavior ng mga tao, iba't ibang strategies ng mga professional sa mga gantong game. Ang dami nilang binigay sa akin na valuable advice, and the situation, no, gave me an on-hand experience on how to deal with my career moving forward. If you ask me na kung maganda ba sa EY, I would say yes. If you ask me kung mare-refer ko yung EY, I would also say yes. Pero yun nga, no organization is perfect, and you also have to consider that there's a lot of projects inside an organization. hindi mo madidikta kung saan ka mapupunta. And hindi mo rin malalaman yung culture, environment, or yung mga galawan inside ng projects, no, unless you get there. So moving forward, everything will be a me decision. I'll always look after myself. I won't really care about other things. Pero syempre, nasa personality ko talaga yung ibigay yung 100% and will always work in excellence. Pero syempre, careful lang tayo ng onte, no? May caution na sa paggalaw natin. Ayan, pawis na ako, no? Pinatay ko kasi yung fan kasi maingay. And syempre, gusto ko din i-share sa inyo kung anong next. What's next? Where next? When next? I want to share with everyone na ako po ay na-absorb ng client. You remember what I said kanina na consulting yung ginagawa namin where we get deployed to the client. Fortunately, the client really like yung performance natin and they offered me a contract na mag-work for them. Now, I'm fully employed to the client. And yeah, I feel really honored. This is a really great opportunity for me, no? At least dito, yung client, no, na feel ko na nireward nila ako. Maybe I'll talk more about ayun nga sa a new company ko, new organization. Siguro sa mga next videos na lang yun. Pag-usapan natin kung ano yung absorption, how does it work. And siguro kung may questions kayo about being absorbed, mag-comment na rin kayo, no? So, yun lang. Dito ko natatapusin dahil pawis na ako. Thank you so much, EY. If by any chance may nanonood na higher ups from EY, no? So, I'm really grateful for the experience. It was a really good time with you and thank you kasi in-accept mo ko dyan, no? Knowing that I took a sabbatical of 2 years, you still accepted me. So, I'm really grateful for that. Pero good things must come to an end, on to the next. And if you are a viewer or subscriber na nanonood pa rin, no, up to this point, thank you so much. I have more to share in the coming videos. And again, thank you. Yun na. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Wag me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.